Nick Butterworth Making Books. Written by Nick Butterworth.
Hello, my name is Nick Butterworth. I'm an author and an illustrator. I write stories and draw pictures for children's books. Here are some of my books. Here are some pictures of me when I was growing up. My mum read us good stories. I liked one called Get Up Crusoe. It was sad, but it was funny too. My wife is called Annette. We have 2 children called Ben and Amanda. Ben and Amanda are grown up now. They are 2 of our best friends. People sometimes ask, where do you get the ideas for your stories? I got the idea for Percy the Park Keeper one day when I was in the park with our dog. Percy the Park Keeper is like my old grandpa. He was a lovely man. This picture of Percy makes me think of my grandpa in his shed. I don't know how I got the idea for Q Poodle 5. I was doodling one day and he just seemed to pop out of my pencil. I love to draw animals, all sorts of animals. Happy ones, sad ones, funny ones. Some look very friendly. Some look fierce. I like to meet children when I go into schools. It's fun to play drawing games and talk about my work. Sometimes children send letters and pictures to me. I work at home. I have a special room and a big desk where I do my writing and drawing. It's hard work. The pictures take a long time to do. When my stories and pictures are finished, I take them to a publisher. The publisher makes them into books and puts them in shops. It's nice to meet children in bookshops too.